Dear students, now our topic is power of integers. Beta, you all know about area of square? We will write side multiply side. Suppose side of square is 4 centimeter, then area of square will be 4 centimeter multiply 4 centimeter, and what you will do, you multiply it, 4 multiply 4, and unit of area will be square, and then you will write centimeter. Now you can also write 4 multiply 4 centimeter square. Here 4 multiply 4 can be written as 4 2 times, 4 2 times centimeter square, because 4 is written 2 times, so we can write 4 2 times centimeter square, because centimeter is also written 2 times. Now if you come to volume of cuboid or cube, that will be edge multiply edge multiply edge, and if the edge will be given as 6 centimeter, so you will write 6 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter multiply 6 centimeter. Here centimeter is 3 times, so we will write cubic centimeter, and 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, we can multiply it, and this 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 means 6 is 3 times, so we will write 6 raised to power 3, and in centimeter also it is 3 times, so we will write centimeter cube. So 6 cube and centimeter cube. So similarly, if 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 is written, so 5 is 4 times, so we will write 5 4. This means that 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Similarly, if you take negative integer, minus 8 multiply minus 8 multiply minus 8 multiply minus 8 multiply minus 8, that means minus 8 is the integer, and that is multiplying by itself 5 times, so we will write minus 8 to power 5. The number which is multiplying many times, that will be in the base, and how many times it multiplies, that is the power or the exponent. So in all this question, base, we are having one base and one power or the exponent, we will say. So if we talk about this, here base is 4, here base is 6, here base is 5, here base is minus 8. So base and power, that how many times we multiply that base. Base is a number which is multiplied, or integer which is multiplied by itself many times, and exponent or power is the number from by which number we will multiply it. How many times the base is multiplied. So here exponent or power is 2, in this 3, in this exponent is 4, in this exponent is 5. So power or exponent indicates the number of times the base is to be multiplied by itself. So in this 7 is the base and 3 is the power or the exponent. And we will read like 2 raised to power 2, 6 raised to power 3, minus 7 raised to power 4. We will say 2 raised to power 2, 6 raised to power 3, minus 7 raised to power 4, and this 7 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4. Now we will find the values. We have to solve this question. Minus 2 raised to power 3 multiply 5 raised to power 2 multiply minus 10 raised to power 2. So how we will find? First of all, we take the first exponent, first integer, minus 2 raised to power 3. That means we will write minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. Base is multiplied 3 times. Now multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 3 minus sign are there, 3 negative sign are there, so we will put negative sign. So we will get minus 2 raised to power 3 as minus 8. Now 5 multiply 2. Solve this. This means 5 multiplied by 5, and then 5 5s are 25. Positive, both signs are positive, so we will put positive sign. Minus 10 raised to power 2 means minus 10 multiplied by minus 10. 2 times minus 10 is multiplied. Then we will multiply the absolute values of minus 10. 10 tens are 100, and we will put the sign. 2 minus sign are there, even minus signs are multiplying, result to positive. So here we will get positive 100. Now we get these 3 numbers and we will multiply it. To solve this, minus 2 की power 3 means minus 8. 5 raised to power 2 means 25. Minus 10 raised to power 2 means 100. Now multiply it. 25 8s are 200, and 200 multiplied by 100 is 20,000, and 1 minus sign is there, so prefix the minus sign here. So this will be your answer. Now in next example, minus 1 raised to power 3 and minus 1 raised to power 6. See, this is odd and this is even. So what will we get? Minus 1 raised to power 3 means minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1, because power is odd. So we will get the answer in negative. 1 multiply 1 is 1, multiply 1 is 1, and 3 minus sign are there, so we will put minus sign. So when the power is odd, we get the answer in negative sign, and when the power is even, so we multiply it by 6 times. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 is 1, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 negative sign means we get the answer in positive. When the even number is there, we get the answer in positive. So Whenever the power is odd and base is negative integer, then the answer will be negative. When the base is negative but the power is even, then we get answer in positive integer. Now we will go to worksheet 8 of chapter 3 integers. Read aloud. You have to read it. This means 5 raised to power 2, 9 raised to power 5, 7 raised to power 3, minus 2 raised to power 4, minus 10 raised to power 3, and minus 1 raised to power 18. In question number 2, complete the table given below. Powered number we have given, and you have to find the base and the exponent. So in this, 7 is the base and 5 is the exponent. In this, base is 9 and exponent is 3. In this, base is minus 3 and exponent is 4. Power is the exponent. In this, minus 1 is the base and 6 is the exponent. In this, base 20 and exponent 2. In this, base minus 10 and exponent 7. In question number 3, write in power notation. You have to write this in power notation in the box given. Here 4 is multiplied by itself 3 times. That means base is 4 and power is 1, 2, 3. So how we will write? Base is 4 and power is 3. So 4 raised to power 3. Here minus 2 is multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So we will write minus 2, that is the base, and 4 times it is multiplied. So 4 is the power. Now 5 is multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we will write 5 as base and 5 as exponent. Exponent is written on the top. Here minus 10 is multiplied 8 times. Here it is given dash 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 up to 8 times. So minus 10 is the base and exponent is 8. Minus 11 is multiplied 3 times by itself. So minus 11 is the base and 3 is the exponent. Minus 1 is multiplied 33 times. So minus 1 raised to power 33. In question number 4 now, write the following in expanded form. You have to write it in expanded form. 2 raised to power 5. So it means 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times. 2 is multiplied by itself means all the 2's are there and it will be multiplied 5 times. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times. 3 raised to power 4 means 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 3 is multiplied. Minus 7 raised to power 3 means minus 7 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Minus raised to power 2 means minus 12 multiplied by itself 2 times. So minus 12 multiplied minus 12. Now in next question, compute the following. 3 raised to power 4. So We will do this question in our registers. So write this, and question number 5 we are going to do compute the following. Compute means to find the value. A part 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 means 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Next one is minus 5 raised to power 2. That means minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. In multiplication, what will you do? Just multiply the numbers. 5 5s are 25 and 2 negative sign are there. So we will get the answer in positive sign. So 25 is the answer. Minus 1 raised to power 78. As you know, it will multiply. Minus 1 is multiplied by itself. How many times? 78 times. So instead of writing minus 1 78 times, we will write dash 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 and 78 times. So that means we multiply it by 78 times, and as you know, if the exponent is even, then the answer minus 1 multiplied by itself is 1, 1, 1, then it will be positive 1. When the exponent is even, we will get as positive 1. Next question is 11 raised to power 3. That means we multiply 11 multiply 11 multiply 11 3 times. Multiply it, we will get 1331. You can multiply 11 multiply 11, we get 121. Multiply by 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, and 1 3, and 2 will carry. 11 ones are 11 and 3 13. We will get 1331 as answer. You can multiply minus 4 raised to power 3, multiply minus 10 raised to power 3, multiply minus 1 raised to power 789. So solve it. First of all, minus 4 raised to power 3. So we will multiply minus 4 by itself 3 times, and we get 4 4 the 16, 4 the 64. 3 minus sign are there, so prefix minus sign. Then minus 10 raised to power 3, multiply minus 10 3 times, 10 tens are 100, tens are 1000, and prefix minus sign because 3 negative sign are there. Minus 1 raised to power 789. That means minus 1 is multiplied by itself how many times? 789 times. So write 789 times. So what answer? Because 789 is 9 is odd, so answer will be minus 1 here. Because when the exponent is odd, minus will be minus. So we get minus 1 here. Now solve this. Minus 4 raised to power 3 multiply minus 10 raised to power 3 multiply minus 1 raised to power 789. That will become, its answer is minus 64. This answer is minus 1000, and its answer is minus 1. Then 64 multiplied by 1000 is 64,000, and 64,000 multiplied by 1 is 64,000. Now about the sign, 3 negative sign are there, so prefix negative sign here. So we will get the answer minus 64,000. And F part, 50 square. 50 raised to power 2, that means 50 multiplied by 50. 5 5s are 25 and 2 0 we will get, because both are positive, so answer will be in positive. So this completes question number 5. In question number 6, find the number which is cube of minus 9. To find the number means you have to solve cube of minus 9. That will be written as minus 9 raised to power 3, and that is minus 9 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So multiply 9 9s are 81. 81 multiply 9 is 729. And 3 negative sign are there, so prefix minus sign. And that will be the answer. Next one is square of 15. Square of 15. So that means 15 square. So 15 is multiplied by itself 2 times. 15 15s are. So if you don't know the answer, then you can multiply 15 15s are. Two 25. So we will get 225 as the answer. Now fifth power of minus 10. That means minus 10 raised to power 5, and that means we will multiply minus 10 by itself 5 times. So 10 10 100 यानी 1 2 3 4 5 zeros 12 lakh, and 5 negative sign are there, odd negative sign, so prefix the negative sign. Now 19th power of minus 1. So it can be written as minus 1 raised to power 19, and if we write this minus 1 multiply by itself 19 times. So because the power is negative, odd, and integer is negative, so minus 1 will be the answer. Question number 7, simplify. Means you have to solve it. First question is 3 square plus 4 square. So how you will solve it? First of all, we will solve 3 square. 3 square means solve 3 square, that is 3 multiply 3, that we will get 9. 4 square, that is 4 multiplied by 4 16. So we get 3 square plus 4 square as 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16, and in between we have plus sign, so add it. 9 plus 16, just add it, we get 25, and that will be your answer. Now question 7b part, that is 2 cube minus 4 square. 2 cube minus 4 square. So 2 cube means, first of all we will find 2 cube, that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 8, and 4 square. 4 square means 4 multiply 4, that is 16. Now put these values in the given question, given statement. 2 cube means 8, and 4 minus, because minus sign is there, 4 square is 16. Then 8 minus 16, both are different sign, so we will subtract it and prefix the greater sign. Greater number sign is minus. So 16 minus 8 is 8. You have to subtract it and put the sign of the greater number. So minus 8 will be the answer. 7th C. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. So simple. First of all, find 1 cube. That means 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. 1 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 1 multiply 1 is 1. 1 multiply 1 is 1. So we get 1. Don't take it as 3. It is not added. It is multiplied. Then 1 multiply 1 is 1. 1 multiply 1 is 1. 2 cube. That means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 cube. That means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. We get the answers. So compute this. Put the values. 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. Plus 3 cube is 27. Now add it. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 27 is 9. Now next D part. Minus 10 cube plus minus 10 square plus minus 10 raised to power 1. This will be the question. So solve these separately first. Minus 10 ka cube. Solve this. Minus 10 multiply minus 10 multiply minus 10. Minus 10 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. And 1, 2, 3. 3 negative sign are there. So prefix minus sign. Now next one is minus 10 square. That means minus 10 multiplied by minus 10. 10 tens are 100. 2 negative sign means we get the positive sign. Now minus 10 1. That means minus 10 is multiplied 1 time and we get minus 10 as solution of this. Now solve the whole question. Minus 10 cube plus minus 10 square plus minus 10 1. We will get this is minus 1000 plus and plus 100. That is 100 and plus minus 10 ki 1 is minus 10. Now solve it. Minus 1000 plus is plus and minus plus minus is minus 10. So solve this first. Minus 1000 plus 100 is minus 900. We will subtract it. And the greater number is negative, so prefix a negative sign and minus 10. So 910 both are negative. When same sign are there, we will get addition here. So 910 and prefix the minus sign. When we add it and we prefix the sign of the absolute values. That will be the answer of this question. Now E part. 3 cube minus of minus 2 cube. So first of all we will solve 3 cube. 3 cube is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. All are positive, so we get positive. Minus 2 cube. We will use this sign later on. First of all solve the power. So minus 2 cube. That means minus 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So multiply 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 and 1 2 3 negative sign. So prefix negative sign. So now solve the question. 3 cube minus of minus 2 cube. So 3 cube means 27, minus 2 cube means minus 8, so minus of minus 8. And if both negative sign are together, it will become minus of minus will become positive 8, and 27 plus 8 is 35. And question 7F part, minus 1 raised to power 16 plus minus 1 raised to power 36 plus minus 1 raised to power 7 plus minus 1 raised to power 54, and you have to solve it. Minus 1 raised to power 16 means minus 1 is multiplied by itself 16 times. Minus 1 multiply minus 1 up to 16 times, and we will get, when power is even, we get the positive 1. Minus 1 raised to power 36, also when power is even, we get positive 1. Minus 1 raised to power 7, that means minus 1 multiply by minus 1 7 times. 7 is odd, when the power is odd, we get minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 54, again when the power is even, because 54 is even, we get positive 1. Now solve, put the values in this given question. Question is given minus 1 raised to power 16 plus minus 1 raised to power 36 plus minus 1 raised to power 7 plus minus 1 raised to power 54, and we will get, this will become 1, this will become plus 1, this will become plus minus 1, this will become plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus minus will become minus plus 1. Now here this minus and minus will cut, because 1 minus 1 get 0. Here we get 1 and plus 1. 1 and plus 1 is 2, and that will be the answer.